TikTok now requires age verification for key features. But what if you're wrongly flagged or want to stay private? Today, I'll show you how to verify your age safely, plus a trick to bypass restrictions. Let's get started. Now let's dive deeper into why verifying your age on TikTok is crucial. First, user protection. Age verification serves as a protective measure, especially for minors, ensuring that the platform remains a safe space for all users. By confirming ages, TikTok can implement measures to shield younger users from potentially harmful or inappropriate content. Second, feature accessibility. Age verification enables account holders to access all of TikTok's features. It ensures that users are of the appropriate age to engage with certain functionalities on the platform, such as going live or utilizing TikTok Shop. Last but not least, compliance with laws. By verifying ages, TikTok adheres to legal requirements and regulations regarding age restrictions in countries on social media platforms. This step helps TikTok stay in line with laws related to online safety and content accessibility for different age groups. Ready to verify age on TikTok? Here's how you can do it. Open the TikTok app on your mobile device, navigate to your profile and select Settings and Privacy. Look for the Support and About option and tap on the Help Center. Scroll down to find the Chat with Us option and give it a tap. A message will prompt you to choose. Opt for Account. Select I want to update my birth date and confirm your date of birth. Input your actual birth date to proceed. TikTok will then prompt you to choose between using facial age estimation or submitting a selfie with ID for verification. Select the method that works best for you to complete the verification process. Ever wondered how TikTok discerns your age? It's a blend of the birth date you provide, specific age verification methods you employ, and an analysis of your content and interactions. If TikTok mistakenly identifies you as underage, even though you're an adult, you'll need to prove your age. Privacy concerns are on the rise among users facing this predicament. It's time to safeguard your online activities with a reliable VPN tool like UFO VPN. Ensure your privacy and security by taking control of your online presence. To get started, click the link in the description to download UFO VPN on your devices. Open UFO VPN and navigate to the location settings. Select the desired location to switch to, establish the connection, and embark on your online journey with enhanced privacy and security. Delve into a plethora of enhanced protection features within UFO VPN. The kill switch acts as a safety measure, promptly cutting off your internet connection if there are any disruptions in the VPN connection, keeping your data secure. With split tunneling, revel in unmatched flexibility. Choose which websites utilize the VPN, while others access the internet directly. This functionality is perfect for seamlessly navigating through global and local content simultaneously, ensuring swift speeds and an enhanced browsing experience. Moreover, tailor your protocols to suit your preferences for optimized speed, enhanced security, and more. UFO VPN places a strong emphasis on your online security and browsing adaptability, ensuring a safe and customized online experience. That's all about TikTok age verification. Grab UFO VPN to stay secure and private online. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.